All right, so I can't say who this is, but this is what you should be seeing if you have an audience and then you actually repeat this exact system. All right, so this is, we got almost 1,800 leads in under a week, really. Let's see. Yeah, really under a week. And then we had 63% opens and we had 301 people click to actually claim the free trial. So that made a ton of money. I think it made around like 8 to 9 grand. I can't show who it is. But yeah, made a ton of money. So I'm going to give you the exact same system, that exact 3-step system that we actually use to make that kind of money for our clients weekly. All right. So it's just going to be rinse and repeat after you finish it. So the first step, what you're going to want to do is create any asset that is actually useful to someone, right? So if you run crypto, like one of our clients, let me pull it up. Run crypto like one of our clients, then you'll make something like top 30 coins or something, right? Like we named it 30 hidden crypto gems. If you like 8 tools to track the big money in crypto. If it's in trading, which is actually most of our clients, you'll describe your strategy, you'll explain some sort of concept, you'll give out a psychology cheat sheet that you use, like maybe a checklist for your setup, a rating guide, maybe a risk management guide, whatever you think that your audience actually wants, right? And what I would do to figure out what they actually want, I'd create a Google form, something like similar, really anything. Just if you live stream, maybe send that at the end of the live stream, like, hey, what concept would you want me to explain, or what's something you would want me to teach in like a PDF or a short video. All right, and then the really important thing to do when you create that is to make absolutely sure that it's new information that you're giving them, or it's pointing out a mistake that they've made with like old information, right? Kind of one of the biggest things that lowers the status lowers your status with prospects is stating the obvious. Like if you're trying to convert someone into a paying customer, you want to be the authority in their mind. You want to have your status like raised. You want them to learn from you, see you as like the teacher, right? You don't want to be like, oh yeah, guys. You don't want to treat something obvious like it's profound, basically. So once you've figured this out, what you're gonna do is you're gonna create it and then you're gonna post it on all your socials. Or actually, you're gonna set up the backend first. So on WAP, what you can do is, let's go to dash.wap. But you'll just go to, can't show that guy's revenue. You'll just go to products, or you'll go to hub first if you just create your thing now. You're gonna go to products and you're gonna create a brand new product. All right, so let's just create a mock one for the purpose of this video, like free $8 million or something, right? Obviously, whatever it is, doesn't matter. Make it freed. And then with WAP, you're going to add apps. So this is going to be visible. You're going to add apps. All right. So number one, if you're watching this video, 90% chance you have a Discord community, add Discord access to this product. And the second thing you're going to add, whatever asset you made, if it's a YouTube video, you're going to put, where is it? Is it above? You're going to put, it's links. So you can link them out to your YouTube video, or what WAP is launching is a bunch of these apps where you can have like content or forums or something. Give them access to whatever you put your video on, but make sure it's like through WAP. All right. And then what will happen is you'll make a landing page before they get to WAP, and then explain not only what the asset actually is, like what it's going to contain, why it's going to help them, and why they should actually claim it, and make sure that they know that they're going to get it. They're going to get it through WAP. You're just going to need their email. If you're not doing it through WAP, you're going to make an opt-in page. You're going to make the exact same thing, except they're going to put their email in there. And then once they put in their email, you're going to notify them that they're going to get the asset through email. Like you're going to email it to them, auto email it to them right after. All right. And you can use Mailmotive for that, whatever you would use. We only use Mailmotive because that's the best integration with WAP. All right. I'll remove that product after. But once that backend is set up, it gets to the third and final step where you're basically just going to actually convert them. So at this stage, you've already gotten them in the Discord community, you've gotten their email, and they've already claimed the free asset of yours. And by this stage, it should be good. Like, it should be actually super valuable and something they want. So now they should see you as the authority, right? So in your Discord server, you gotta like automatically and slowly convert them by, you keep building trust, you keep doing free events in the Discord. Like, what worked before was we did weekly chats or like weekly classes. That works really well because people like join up and see that you're actually like helping people for free. So how good can your paid, like, how good must your paid product be? All right. And also emails. So we have automated email journeys going out when they claim these assets that will not only give them more HVCOs if you have some. Kind of the way you want to do it is you want to structure it to where the first one reveals a problem, and then your next email solves that problem. And then the problem that's revealed from that email, you're going to send them another until, like, right up until the next logical step is going to be a product, right? So if they got all the theory down, for example, let's say you're a trader and you're growing a trading community, you teach them the theory, you teach them to the point where they're your ideal customer. So if you have a very specific setup that you want people to understand before coming into your live streams, then those emails, you want to teach them the setup, teach them all the basics they need to know, and then at the end be like, okay, yeah, I've taught you everything. I've gave you everything. Now I'm going to give you this one final gift, and or like explain why they need, let's say you're a live trader, explain why they need to watch a pro do it live so that they can learn like how you manage your risk, how you manage psychology, how you, like, I don't know, move your trades or whatever. I'm not too great of a trader, so I don't know what it is. But whenever the next logical step is actually going to your free trial, that's when it's going to convert the best. So that's the ideal situation. What you can also do is you can just make an HVCO, a new HVCO every week, and then just have that HVCO send them an email where it basically follows up the HVCO saying like, oh yeah, saw you claimed it, right? Like, and maybe in there you can give them some free assets, like you send them a YouTube video, more in depth explaining like what the PDF is about or anything, or maybe invite them to the community and send them to a message link that'll explain more or give them more value in some sort of way. And then you can offer them a free trial there if it's also the next logical step, right? So you don't want to, if you gave out a PDF that's, I don't know, unrelated, you don't want to offer them a 7-day free trial if it doesn't make sense, right? Because they're just going to be like, oh, this guy's selling me, and it doesn't really make sense for me to get it here. So obviously they're not going to convert. But yeah, basically, recap. Step 1, you're going to create something insanely valuable that you can give away for free. Step 2, you're going to set up the backend, so have it on either WAP or just a normal ClickFunnels opt-in page, but you want to collect their email, get them into your community, and then also give them the actual asset you made so that they can be nurtured, you can build trust, you can position yourself as the authority, etc. And then step 3, now you have them in the Discord, you have their email, they're being nurtured, you want to continue nurturing them, you want to continue building trust, and then you want to offer them your free trial or whatever it is. We mainly use free trials because we find it's the best way to bridge that gap between like cold and, let's say, paying. So a lot of sales funnels are built like a brick wall, right? Like you gotta, from here, you keep watching content, you really gotta jump to paying. Like it's really taking a dive. Like you'll hear people say that, like, man, I really took a leap of faith on this product because it's like $100. But if you have a free trial, it makes that process way easier. So there's 2 levels. The free trial is like in the middle, so they can just climb up like, okay, yeah, like this makes sense. They've built trust with me, like they've taught me before, so their paid product must be lit. And then they join your paid product, and if it is actually insane and you believe in it, then they should convert to paid. It's that easy. Me and my partner Louis, we're gonna keep trying to make these videos for you, have insane value so that you can literally take them and just put them in your business to make free money. So if you're interested in more of those, then subscribe.